Ke Election Commission of India ECI Shen Kanwanra ya kabut bathamai ban penbha ya kajing thap vote lingba ke ECI NET ha kaba ki pat ba ki sing sanhima ki la ban yo shipon ki jing tip la yatho Dr. BDR Tiwari Chief Electoral Officer ka Meghalaya yak jing tip balalum thup ha ka ECI NET amdan manu bala ban mushlia nepin kala like no tangkinong tre jong ke Election Commission of India Lanun Pintri kam yakni kabut thamai u Dr. BDR Tiwari umpat la ban ai ka jingtip patikana.
It is in respect to the same and mostly it is out of the state. Within state we rectify. We find out the same epic number is not been allotted to the two persons. But since this exercise that the country is so vast and big, it is very difficult immediately to. So in the due process there are very few numbers. Like in term of Meghalaya we found 524. So all states have taken up this exercise, but now it has been identified and new epic number has been given. Basically all these this exercise they are already voter here. Our voter if they are then on the epic card, if the new epic number is being generated, then old epic number is also in these kind of cases is mentioned in that particular epic. That provision has been made and accordingly these new epics are made and delivered. Election Commission of India is very soon going to launch a single point app for the stakeholder to subsume over existing 40 IT apps with enhanced UI UX. So new app will be known as the ECI Net to facilitate electoral services for citizens, seamless, convenient data handling for electoral offices. So this act is a very new initiative and it has already reached in the advanced stage of development and rigorous trials are being conducted to ensure smooth functionality, ease of use and robust cyber security measures. It is being developed after an elaborate consultative exercise involving 36 CEOs of all state UTs, 767 district election officers and 4,123 electoral registration officers of their state UTs, and after receiving 76 publications comprising 900 pages of electoral framework, instructions and handbook issued by ECI from time to time. So the data provided through ECI Net will be strictly aligned with the legal framework established by the Representation of the People Act 1950 and 51, registration of the electoral rules 1960 and conduct of election rules 1961 and instruction issued by Election Commission of India time to time. So there is a list of 40 existing ECI applications. So list is already been given here. So it involves the affidavit portal, India a web result website, election 24 or the ECI sweep, ECI website, Ambosa, Viasnet, Myth versus Reality, election trend, TVC Visual portal, EMS, Encore, media voucher, Suvidha, observer portal, election planning, IEMS, PPR, TMS, ERONet2, voter service portal, service voters portal, ETPBMS, NGSP, electoral search, ERONet app, BLO app, CVGIL app, Decider app, Encore nodal app, ESMS app, Investigator app, KYC app, Monitor app, Observer app, Saksham app, Suvidha app, Voter helpline app and voter turnout app. So this is the list of the different IT tools being in the public domain for the different type of the users. So that will be comprises in one ECI Nets framework.